Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a coupon code in Base44. Really easy. What I want you to do is once you're on your Base44 dashboard, come at the top right, click on your profile icon right here. Okay, basically where it says My Workspace, click on Billing. And what I want you to do from here is choose a plan. In this case, what I'll do, let's choose Pro. We'll choose the Pro plan. Click here, subscribe to Pro. And you can choose the yearly plan, monthly plan. I'll just choose the monthly one. And scroll down. Click here on continue to checkout. Okay. And then what I want you to do right here. Okay. You'll see subtotal. Under that, you'll see add promotional code. So click on this, enter your coupon code, and it will be applied automatically. You'll get a discount, and then you'll see a lower total due. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.